Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Sunday. DR plus I plus fur. Dry fur. Sunday driver. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again to Classic Concentration. We have a newcomer to welcome to our program, and it is this lady on my right. And her name is Pam Mamede?
Mamede.
Mamede.
Very close.
Welcome, Pam.
Thank you.
Mamede is what, Greece?
Portuguese.
Portuguese.
Yes.
Are you Portuguese?
No,
Your
my husband.
How did you meet?
I was a ski instructor, and when I moved down to San Diego, I had remembered him from being up there.
Being up where?
Up in Big Bear. That's where I taught
Oh, in
skiing.
Big Bear.
Yes.
All right, so he's an avid skier, too?
No, he's
Not
never
at all?
been on skis.
Never been on skis?
No.
Why don't you thrill him? Take him on the skis. Start him off with that, what is it, the GPL method? Real short skis to start off.
Yes.
In case he has legs like mine. Well, good luck on
Thank
the
you very
program
much,
today.
Alex.
You're facing a guy who showed up on the program yesterday, won a game very quickly, and just won a bundle of prizes. His name is John Morrison. John, welcome back.
What's up?
You feel good today?
Feel great. Feel great.
We put you into the game so quickly yesterday, I didn't get a chance to talk to you and find out what you do and where you're from.
Well, I moved out here about a year ago from Colorado after getting my master's.
Are you into skiing?
Love skiing, yeah.
Uh-huh.
So I could teach your husband, Pam.
You got a master's in what?
MBA in finance.
Oh.
So,
And now you're working here in Southern California?
yeah, doing consulting for the healthcare industry right now.
All right, that's a big industry, as you know.
Certainly is.
Okay, good luck. Here is something great in this day of gas shortages.
The Honda Elite 50 scooter comes with a 49cc two-stroke engine, automatic transmission, electric starter, and large under-seat storage. Alex.
And that scooter can be found on the board at number 19. Remember where you saw it. Pam, you're going to get to pick first in this game. And we have the 5 bonus seconds available as one of our matches. And we also have a Jamaica vacation. All right, you get to go first.
Okay, I do need the motor scooter because I spent 7 hours getting up here by bus to be here today because I no longer have a car. So I'm going to go for a wild card. Number 13, please.
Washer and dryer.
Okay, and a match on number 4, please.
Entertainment Center. No match for you. John.
That entertainment center looks nice. All right, number 12. Start in the middle.
Dessert of the month.
Dessert of the month. Okay, maybe a wild card under number 9.
No, Chef's Barbecue Tools. Pam?
Okay, how about the match to the motor scooter or the Jamaica trip under number 7?
Diamond and Pearl Ring.
That would be beautiful. Let's go for the match under number 25.
Jamaican Tropical Vacation. No match. John.
Okay, we have Jamaica out there now. How about number 17? I've seen that yet.
Red Take.
Take, that could be good. Maybe a wild card under 15? Yes!
Yes, the wild card is there. The other Red Tape is on the bottom line at number 23. Here's a little bit of insurance for later on. Take a look at the puzzle. Select again, John.
Okay, number 8.
5 bonus car
Could
seconds.
use that. Maybe another wild card under 22.
Diamond and Pearl Ring. No match. Pam?
Okay, I'm going to go for the match on the Diamond and Pearl, number 7. And number 22.
7 and 22 totals 29, and that's a good combination for Pam and me. Take a look.
Just a little early still. So I'm going to go for number 11.
Washer and dryer.
And number 8, please.
No.
Oh.
5 bonus car seconds there. You thought the washer and dryer were there?
Yes.
Huh? Ah, well, sorry it
I
didn't
know
work
what it
out.
is
John?
now.
All right, I think I remember that washer and dryer under number 13.
Yes.
And 11 for the match, please.
There you go. She's got that diamond and pearl ring. That's a lovely piece of jewelry, John.
I'm going to hold out for Jamaica, just in case.
All right. 2 doors opening up for John. Select again.
That's just it. Number 20. Haven't seen that one. And number 8, I believe, for the match, please.
Didn't even have a chance to tell him what it was. The 5 bonus car seconds. How do you feel about using the take now?
Save it. Save it. Take it now. Save it.
I think I'm going to hold on to it just one more time.
All right, one more time. How many times have you heard that expression on our program? Let's open these two panels. Go again.
Okay, not just number 10 on that side.
Green take.
Green take. Now that would be great. Number 2, perhaps.
Wild card, so it's going to work. The other green take. Number 5.
I'm going to go ahead and use that now for the diamond pearl ring, if I could.
Sure.
Now that I'm safe.
Now that he's safe, yes. Let's open these 3 panels for him. Go again.
Not just yet. I need to see what's under 18.
Entertainment Center.
Wasn't
Have we
that
seen
number
that?
4, I believe? Yeah.
Yes. Another look. 2 more pieces opening up. Pick again.
Number 14 for wild card.
Gas barbecue.
Ooh, we've seen that one. Number 6. We haven't seen that.
Chef's barbecue tools. I don't know if we had seen the gas barbecue. I may be wrong. Pam?
I need to find the wild card. Let's try for number 1, please.
Gas barbecue.
And number 9 for the match. No!
Sorry.
Saving grace. Number 6.
Barbecue tools.
And wasn't that number 1?
No! Oh. Pam, here's your chance to redeem yourself now and make 2 matches.
Number 14, please.
Gas barbecue.
And number 1?
Gas barbecue, yes. The prize goes up. The doors open up. Now you should be able to make a match on the other one.
Okay, let's go for number 6, please.
That's the barbecue tools.
And the match for number 9?
Yes.
Yes.
There you go. You guys were just flip-flopping around there, not being able to come up with the correct combination. Let's open these 2 doors for Pam. Select again.
Oh, I know it.
Now you know it. Why didn't you know it a second ago?
Number 3, please.
Number 3. Wild card. 24? What did you think was there? What did you hope was there?
I thought it was the Jamaican, but I was wrong.
You were wrong. The dessert of the month is there.
That's fine. I'll take that too.
The other dessert of the month is at number 12. That prize goes up here. You're going to do a lot of eating if you solve this puzzle because you got the barbecue, the tools, and the dessert. Let's open these 3 panels.
I have a nice big yard, though, Alex. Is it scapegoat?
Looks like it. Scapegoat. Yes. Come on. All righty. Go for it.
Okay, here's the S with the Matador's cape down here, and that means scape with a go and the T. Scapegoat.
Scapegoat. Wanted that Jamaican holiday.
I did.
That's okay.
I
John,
wanted the motor scooter.
it's only your first X, so you're going to play in game number 2. We'll see you in a little bit.
Okay.
All right, let's find out about these prizes right now from Gene. He's going to tell you what you won.
Chef's Barbecue Tools, a gas barbecue, and Dessert of the Month. Every month, a scrumptiously different dessert will arrive at your home. Each dessert is made to serve 12 and is delivered in a reusable designer tin, furnished by Dessert of the Month Club.
She has a big backyard, as she said, so she'll be doing a lot of entertaining. And when we come back, she'll be trying to win a brand new car following this. I just asked Pam if she's been watching the program lately, and she says, I try to take my break when Classic Concentration is on the air. Then you have noticed that in recent months, we've had a lot of players win a car in less than 35 seconds. As a matter of fact, those players, the 10 fastest car winners from the past year, will be showing up here starting this coming Monday to play in a tournament of champions for a lot of cash and some beautiful prizes. So be sure and stay tuned all of next week. You could qualify right now for next year's Tournament of Champions by winning a car, because you're going to be dealing with base time. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you. You got your fingers crossed? Okay. Here's the clock, 35 seconds. Good luck, Pam. Off you go.
Thank you. 1, 2.
Nope.
4, 5.
No again.
7, 5.
Right.
10, 11,
No.
4, 15,
No.
10, 15,
Yeah.
13, 14,
No.
8, 9,
No.
8, 14,
Yeah.
11, 12,
No.
1, 13,
No.
2, 3,
No.
2, 11,
Yeah.
4, 6.
Did you notice something interesting there? When you call two numbers at the same time, you defeat your purposes so often because it wastes a second or so before you can go back and recapture the first one. But that's okay. You've won a game, you've got some prizes, and you're coming back to play again after this. John, were you anywhere near a solution in that last game?
No, I missed the cape altogether. So
You were concentrating on the bull instead of the bottom part of the puzzle.
So,
Very important, as you know, when you're a contestant, studying those pictures up there to look at all aspects of it and see where the arrows are pointing. It can be confusing. Believe me, I'm not a good player at this. That's why I host the show. Here's somebody else who's a good player at almost anything she tries. Dean, tell us about the prize, too.
The computerized folding AccuMassage table featuring electronic roller massage from head to heels. Easy to store, furnished by the Sharper Image. Alex.
That's a great prize. That's very expensive, too. That's the kind of thing that you're not likely to go out and buy for yourself unless you've got a lot of bucks in reserve. John and Pam, take a look at our board, and we'll show you where the massage table will be found at number 20. We have but one wild card in this game. We also have a holiday in New Orleans, and it seems to me it's been a long while since we have had a player win the cash pot, so it's up to $1,200. And John, you get to go first.
great. Okay. Gonna go the way I've been going with the middle first at number 13.
1-3 for a green take.
Okay, that could be really useful. Number 7 for a wild card.
Shower massager, no match. Pam?
Okay, Alex, I'd like number 17, please.
New
There's the New
getaway.
Orleans. How about a wild card under number 10?
Red take, no match. John?
Okay, number 14. Get that middle.
Diamond watches for 2.
Ooh, that sounds nice. And number 2 for a wild card.
No, that's the shower massager. Pam?
I'll go for number 13, please.
Green take.
And I hope a match under number 24.
Wild card. That makes it a match. The other green take at number 5. Here's a little insurance for you, my dear. Take a look at the puzzle now.
No. Okay, how about number 11?
Sofa and love seat.
Let's go for the match under number 15.
Sofa and love seat. And I thought I was beginning to detect a little bit of a blush when the sofa and love seat. There's still a lot of romance, obviously, in your marriage, correct? You're newlyweds, basically, aren't you? How long have you been together?
Well, we were together.
Oh, sorry. I guess that's why you kind of blushed on that one,
Yes.
and I put my foot right in it. Sorry about that. Let's open it
I'll
up.
take it, though. Okay. Still a little bit early, Alex.
All right,
Let's
go
go
again.
for number 23, please.
Luggage?
I need a trip for that, but let's number 3 for the match.
No, there's the New Orleans getaway. John gets a shot at that one.
I can't remember where that is, but I think I know another match. Let's try number 7.
Shower
And
massager.
right above at number 2, I believe.
That's right.
Okay.
72 is good, or 27. And 2 more doors open up, this time for John's benefit. Select.
Just yet. Number 17.
New Orleans getaway.
Was it number 3?
Yes!
Yes, it was. Pam's applauding. She's not worried too much because she still has this green take.
Right.
She's hoping to have an opportunity to use it. John, let's see if you can solve this puzzle right now. Select again.
Just yet. Number 9. Need to see what's under there. Cash pot. That would be nice. And 18 for a wild card.
Luggage, no match. Pam, here's your
Since
chance.
the wild cards are gone, I'm going to go for number 1, please.
Diamond watches for 2.
And number 14 for the match, I hope.
Yes. Now, Pam, the wild card is gone. There is a red take on
I'm
the
going
board.
to take the New Orleans holiday.
Right now?
Yes, please.
Okay, you have it. Diamond watches for 2. and a New Orleans vacation. And Pam could get to enjoy those prizes if she can solve the puzzle now.
No.
Pick again.
Okay, how about number 21, please?
Cash pot.
And number 9?
If you win the game, you go to New Orleans and you have $1,200 to spend. That sounds like a good deal.
That sounds great to me.
Take a look. Can you solve this puzzle? Go again.
Okay, number 16, please.
Gold pen and pencil set.
Let's go for the match on number 6.
No, 200 California lottery tickets. John, you're back in it.
Okay, let's see what's under number 23.
Luggage.
And I think that was right above at 18.
Luggage, yes. Can he solve it? You probably didn't notice out of the corner of your eye, but Pam was doing one of these. I think that means she can solve it.
Could be trouble.
Could be trouble in River City.
Number 19.
Gold pen and pencil set.
And number 6.
Oh, John. Pam.
Number 16.
Gold pen and pencil set.
And for the match, number 19.
19. Is Pam the maid about to give John Morrison his second X?
Cramp your style.
Is it cramp your style? You're going to New Orleans, young lady, and you're going to the board first. All right. There you go.
Okay, the K with the ram and the P, cramp. The Y and the or, cramp your. The S and the tile, cramp your style.
Cramp your style, and nothing has been cramping your style. You've been terrific. John, you didn't get a chance at all in this game to get rolling, but by golly, you did pick up a nice win previously. A holiday in Arizona, a couple of prizes totaling $6,867.
Great.
Well done. Nice having you with us. Take care. So long, John. Thank you. All right, Pam, you won a lot of prizes, and here's what you're going to get to enjoy. Gene?
A cash pot worth $1,200. A gold pen and pencil set. And a sofa and love seat. Sam Moore Furniture Industries fully upholstered camelback sofa and love seat covered in bright, lively floral print furnished by Sam Moore Furniture Industries. And diamond watches for 2. Benris ladies and gents gold tone watches. Basket weave bracelet, diamond dial. Precision quartz movement never needs winding. Furnished by Benris. And a New Orleans getaway. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to New Orleans. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Maison Dupuis, an unusual French Quarter hotel combining old world charm with today's luxuries, featuring a lush tropical courtyard, heated pool, and exercise facility, furnished by Maison Dupuis. And Pam, these prizes total $5,583.
Pam, I get the feeling it's been a little while since a lot of nice things have happened to you. You're going to get a chance to have another nice thing happen to you. Possibility of winning a brand new car when we come back. Let's take a break. Pam is so sweet. She just noticed the time that she will have to play for the cars. Miss Munch says, oh, I've got 40 seconds too. Isn't that great? Yeah, it is great. Here are the 15 numbered squares and the clock with 40 seconds, Pam. Win a car.
Thank you. 1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8.
No.
10, 2.
No.
11, 12.
No.
13, 14.
No.
Okay, 15. 1.
No.
3, 14.
Nope.
3, 13.
Yes.
6, 11,
No.
12. 1.
No.
Oh. 6,
6.
1.
That's it.
7.
It's okay for me to help you out when I know you're not going to make it. I couldn't do that in regular play, of course. But you got $5,998, including a lot of cash and a holiday in New Orleans. And you will play again. And we'll take a break after we hear this important message from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Vitamix stainless steel 3-minute bread maker and home yogurt factory that juices without waste, cooks without burning, freezes instant ice cream, and offers 800 other recipes. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Pam is going to New Orleans with $1,200 in cash. Is she going to have a good time or what? $1,200. Yes, I said that. And you'll come back to play tomorrow. See ya.
Bye-bye.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.